welcome back to Nobody's Beauty Guru. Today I'm here with an unboxing for you. I know what this is. I was contacted by the company to work with them and I'm really excited about it. This is a package from France of Perfume and I know that there's a couple different kinds in here. I'm gonna just jump into it and show you what's in here. It's been forever since I've had any kind of an unboxing or any kind of a haul because I just haven't been buying stuff. But I've been really into perfumes lately, and this is like a gorgeous high-end French company that wanted to know if I wanted to like sample their perfumes and then pick my favorites to get larger sizes of. So this is by Sylvaine Delacourte, Paris. It comes in this beautiful, well, it has this beautiful bag like right on top, and then everything else is packaged inside very neatly. There's tester strips so that I can test my scents out, which is going to be perfect because I'll use those right now. This is packaged in here. I have these packaged in here. Oh my gosh. And I have more packaged here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, Sylvaine Delacourte, I believe, is the founder of this company, and she uses these really unique ingredients and different musky scents and different floral scents that aren't necessarily very common. So this is a little sample set that I have. Valkyrie, Vahina, Venori, Vangelis, and Virgil. Then we have another little collection, and this is Oudvana, Florentina, Smeralda, Ylang, and Helicris. I think Ylang is one of the ones that I got the larger size of. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hold on. Let's see what's in here. I think this is my big one. Oh my gosh. It is the one that I got a big one of. So I got the big one of Ylang, and I want to tell you what the scent profile is on this one. So I'm going to pull up the website really quick. I just got home, guys, from an interview. Sadly, the interview was not fantastic, but coming home to this was phenomenal because now I am very excited. So I contacted her about the ones that I was most interested in, and I definitely want to smell those right now for you guys. So inside this little box, I'm going to open this first. Ooh, is the Ylang, which I think I have the larger one of. And this is another Ylang. Okay. Pull off the one that says Ylang. And I want to tell you what this is. So this is Solar Musk. Reminds me of holidays on the island. And it has scents of Ylang tree, bergamot, jasmine, lime, musk, a rose, lime again, mandarin, and tuberose. I don't know. It sounded like it was going to be citrusy. And about that citrus life, I sprayed it. Ooh. Oh, that's really nice. It's kind of clean, but citrusy. Oh, I'm so glad I have this. So I've got two of those in these sizes. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, and then I have more in here. And I'm going to see what these ones are. And then I'll smell these for you too. This is more of the Ylang. I have a lot of Ylang. I'm so glad I like it. And then, holy crap, this one, oh, it's in one of the little scent containers. So, like, it's a little container for, like, on-the-go perfume. Ooh, it's magnetic, and it's no joke. So inside here is Ylang. I think I got all Ylang. I'm really glad I like it then. So I got literally all of the Ylang, which is great because these containers are what I have right here. So I have 4 of them, and they go conveniently into this little bad boy. Pop that down in there, and then this lid goes on, and it's like magnetic, and I can put this in my purse and take it with me. And I'm so glad I like this scent because it can be like my new signature scent. I don't want to disgrace this perfume by saying it has like that clean laundry smell, but it has like a richness to it. Oh my gosh, I can't even describe it. Okay, this is stunning. I'm so happy with that, and I love that I have backups. I would have liked to have other scents. I did give them other scents that I was interested in. So I was supposed to get, I think, other samples that fit into that container. I think. I'm not sure. And then there was supposed to be a candle. I don't think I got the candle. I'm pretty sure this is a giant perfume of that. But look at this box. Like, it is this gorgeous rose gold. Shut up. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Oh, wow. This is so weighty. This is a huge size. I have so much of this perfume, and I'm so happy. So happy that I love it. 3.3 fluid ounces. That is a ton of perfume, guys. A ton of perfume. Can't believe this came all the way from France. I'm so stoked on this. And so let me tell you like a little bit more about this one. The inspiration was Lily Ylang has a glowing character which doesn't hide its more cozy, musky rebel side. If this were a color, it would be yellow. It reminded me of holidays on the island of Lower Yunnan, where I discovered Ylang Ylang, the perfect sunny flower. I wanted a fragrance which was a blend of skin and sand heated by the sun. I did say I wanted different scents. They all came with the same one. I love it, so it's not that big of a deal. But I want to try some of the other ones because this collection, the vanilla collection, was not on the website when I looked up the information. So these were not on the website. I don't have descriptions for them. But I do have descriptions for some of these, and some of these I was really interested in. So I want to go and look at some of these, smell these, and tell you what I think of them. Florentina. I think this is the one that had some other citrusy scents to it. So I'm going to find my little Florentina stick here, and we gonna smell it. So this one has orange blossom, iris, vetiver, bitter almond, lavender, carnation, violet, and bergamot. So first up is Florentina. Oh no, that's on my computer. I can already smell it and it's delicious. Oh, it's really, really pretty. This one's definitely more floral, and it definitely has a punch of citrus, but it's way more floral. I still like the Lily Ylang better. So I'm glad I went with that for the big ones. Okay. Next up is Smeralda, which is the one that I just told you has all that citrusy stuff in it. I love citrus scents, but Smeralda also has cedar leaf and hawthorn and mastic tree, roses. I'm not as big on roses, and roses is pretty high up there on their scent list, so I don't know if I'm going to like it. Oh, yeah, no. Okay, so this one is one of the other ones that I was interested in, but this one has a lot more of the rosy floral, and it's going to change on your body, and it's going to change as it dries. But this one is definitely more floral, and I don't love that. Let's check with Helichrys. Bergamot, rosemary, patchouli, I'm not going to like this one, cinnamon, tonka bean, is that coffee? Lemon, and grapefruit. Now, grapefruit I could love, but it's really far down there on the scent list, so I don't know if it's going to actually smell like grapefruit. I hope it does. No, it does not. That one's not for me. Okay. Nope, 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 nope. Which is fine. Not every scent is for every person. All right. Now we're going to go back to Oudvana. This one is sandalwood, vanilla, rose, iris, neroli, musk, mandarin, amaretto, and heliotrope. I don't know. I'm so stoked. I'm also really glad because so far my favorite one has been that Lily Ylang. So I'm so glad I have so much of it. I'll let this dry for a second. Ooh, okay. This one I think I sprayed the most of, and it's barely there. It's very, very light. She said, I wanted to smell the fragrance of my childhood soap within this perfume. This is very powdery, very, very fresh and soapy. Very, very pretty, but by far my favorite is still this Lily Ylang, which I'm going to spray on my wrist. I want to see how it smells on me. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, hold on. I'm going to let that dry for a little bit while I put this one away. I'm not going to spray the rest of the vanilla ones because it's just a little bit too much. They don't seem to have this one actually on the website that I can see. I think I'm going to really like these depending on what else is in them. But again, I don't have a scent breakdown on their website, so I can't actually tell you. And I feel like I'm a little scented out right now. I don't want to do too many and end up with a headache because I am so excited to have these. And here's the other thing about this one. This one in particular, it's citrusy enough to be like a summer and spring scent, but it's also musky enough to be a winter scent. I could wear this year round and it wouldn't be a problem. There's some perfumes where I feel like they're more seasonal. This I could wear this all the time and be really, really happy with it. Thank you so, so much to Sylvaine Delacourte. I am so excited to have these little trial kits. I am beyond thrilled with the quality of this travel case. I'm going to use this for my sister's wedding. It is beautiful. It clicks. Like this is not going to spill anywhere in my bag. I have so many backups for it, and I cannot get over the presentation of this perfume. This is gorgeous. I'm so happy that this came to me. I'm so happy that they wanted to work with me and that they reached out to me, because I really have been looking for a signature scent. I've been using up a ton of perfume samples just in my project panning, and I really haven't found anything that speaks to me that I feel like is something that I would go out and purchase. This is definitely a long shot that I agree to this. Like, I looked at the scent profile, said I think this is the one that I'm going to like the best, so give me this one in the large size. And then I let them know like my second and third choices. I'm not even mad that this is the one that I got the most of, because it really is the one that I like the best. So I did a good job. They did a great job matching me. I let them know, like, based off of their website, the one that I picked was the one I thought I was going to like the best, but I told them that I love citrus scents, and that if there was one that was more citrusy, to go ahead and swap it out for me. The more that it dries on me, it gets a little bit more citrusy, but it is absolutely gorgeous. And I can see what she's saying about the sun and the sand. It does have like a beachy smell to it, like a fresh air beachy smell. This absolutely makes up for the fact that I wasted an hour and 15 minutes driving to an interview that is not going to work for me. I will have everything listed down below. I'll have the website listed down below. They also have discovery boxes. So right now I'm looking at the website. These little discovery boxes are on sale for $4, down from $12. The custom box, which is these guys, if you want 4 of the 1 ounce perfumes in this box, it's $80. And then if you want the larger size perfume, it's $170. Just these right now seem to be on sale for $4. So if you're interested in seeing which one of these you would like best, you can head to the website listed down below and check out one of these, get to know them a little bit, and then decide if you want to invest. I don't know what shipping is. Free delivery on all orders. So there's that. Delivery from Paris via USPS or FedEx. Secure payment with MasterCard, Visa, and PayPal. And free delivery everywhere. So you could grab one of these for $4, get free delivery, and see which one of these that you would like. I'm beyond excited that I have this. Very, very, very happy. I would say my 2 favorites are definitely the one that I got, which is the Ylang, and this Smeralda. So pretty. But I really am overjoyed with the one that I got. So thankful. And that's it for this incredible gush video. I'm so glad I came home to some good mail. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much again. Till Sylvaine Delacourte, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.